Hello everyone, my name is Maddie and I'm here for baby rhyme time. So first we're going to start off with our acknowledgement to country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We acknowledge the traditional custodians on the land on which we work and play. Arms up, arms down, we're on gubby gubby damby ground. Okay, we're going to start off with our hi hello song and greeting. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? So first we're going to start off with row, row, row your boat. Let's go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Ha ha, fooled you, I'm a submarine. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! The next one we're going to do is the wheels on the bus. Everyone knows the wheels on the bus? First they go round and round. So we'll start off with that verse. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. And the next, it goes beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. And the next we're going to do the children wiggle. The children on the girls' bus go wiggle, 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 wiggle. The children on the bus go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle all day long. This one's called A Sailor Went to Sea. So first we'll start with C. Then we'll go to the knee and then the toes. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, and all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. So next we'll go with the knees. A sailor went to knee, to see what he could knee, and all that he could knee was the bottom of the deep blue knee. Now down to our toes. A sailor went to toe, to see what he could toe, and all that he could toe was the bottom of the deep blue toe. So now we put them all together. See, knee, toe. A sailor went to see, knee, toe, to see what he could see, knee, toe, and all that he could see, knee, toe was the bottom of the deep blue sea, knee, toe. So our last song will be Miss Polly Had a Dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, 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 and she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at Dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on his paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will. Okay, now we're just going to do our goodbye song and that's it for today. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. And that's it for baby rhyme time. Bye.